Let's make a kid-friendly Shamrock Suncatcher craft for St. Patrick's Day. The first step is to create tape fabric, then cut the fabric into shapes. I used duck glitter crafting tape in gold and duct tape in rainbow. Then stack duct tape's clear tape together. Attach the colorful pre-cut shapes to the clear tape. Attach the clear tape to the other side. The next step is optional. Stack Duck Brand's green duct tape to a cutting board, then trace a shamrock onto the duct tape. Use a craft knife to cut out the outline of the shamrock with duct tape. Then remove the excess duct tape and slowly remove the shamrock outline. Carefully place the shamrock outline onto the clear tape, then cut around the shamrock to create the suncatcher. Attach it to a window and enjoy it this St. Patrick's Day.